To enable the Air View feature and use it with your S Pen in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Advanced Features. Tap Advanced Features and then tap S Pen. Alternatively, you can go to this menu through the Air command menu. To do so, remove your S Pen to open up the Air menu. And then tap the setting icon. To enable Air View feature, tap the gray on option next to Air View. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. If needed, you can change the setting of this feature. To do so, tap Air View. Here you can see three options available for the Air View features. The first one is Previews and Pointer. This option is selected by default. To see how it works, we will try to use this feature in the Notes app. Next, open Notes app. Hover your S Pen on a note. You can see that your phone will show you a pointer of your S Pen and the preview of the note. You can also scroll through the list of your note by hovering your S Pen at the bottom of the list to scroll down the screen, or at the top of the list to scroll up. Next, go back to the Air View menu. The second option available is Pointer Only. Select this option. Go back to the Note app. Hover your S Pen on a note. You can see that your phone will only show you the pointer of your S Pen, so you can see exactly where your S Pen is pointing. The pointer looks like a small circle that will move to the point where you hover your S Pen. Next, go back to the Air View menu. The last option available is Previews Only. Select this option. Now go back to the Note app. Hover your S Pen on a note. You can see that your phone will only show you the preview of the note. You can also scroll through the list of your note by hovering your S Pen at the bottom of the list to scroll down, or at the top of the list to scroll up. As a note, you can also use this feature in another apps like Gallery, Calendar, Video, My Files, and else. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.